Want to decode the magic of data science and machine learning but unsure where to start? Introducing LearnOx's complete course on data science and machine learning to help you stay ahead in your career with the latest skills employers are looking for. From basics to advanced, learn everything in one place, including supervised versus unsupervised learning, linear regression, naive-Bayes, K-means clustering, data exploration and visualization and its tool. Dive into Python, NLP database and machine learning algorithms. Our course is hands-on. You will work on real-world projects and gain practical knowledge and expertise along with in-depth training and live sessions by ML data science experts. Whether you are a programming pro or a beginner, we have got you covered. We start from basic teaching Python from scratch, diving into machine learning 101 and progressing to advanced topics like neural networks, deep learning and transfer learning. Upon completion, you'll receive a certificate recognizing your mastery of machine learning and data science concepts and algorithms. Hurry up, visit the LearnOx website to enroll now and take the first step toward standing out in the IT industry. Learn from the best practice with real project, get 100% placement assistant, become a data scientist and machine learning expert, and get hired. Join us and let's shape the future of data science and machine learning together.